In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Instagram account permanently. So this is an updated method. So what you need to do is open up Instagram, then go to your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. Once you're here, go to the three lines in the top right and then find settings. So that should be at the top. Once you're inside of settings, go to Meta Accounts Center, click See More in Accounts Center. That will then show you all of your accounts and your profiles. Now what you need to do is you need to scroll down to account settings, and then the second one down will be personal details. Go ahead and click on that. And then once you've clicked on that, you'll then need to click on account ownership and control. That will then take you to this window where you can click deactivation or deletion. Then it will ask you to choose an Instagram account that you've got connected to the Meta account. I'll choose search based method. Then you can choose whether you want to deactivate or delete your account. Deleting your account is permanent, but it will take up to 30 days for it to be deleted. So click delete account, click continue, then give Instagram a reason. So I'll just put here privacy concerns. Click continue. It will then talk to you about the reason, but if you just want to ignore that, click continue. And it's then going to ask you to enter in your password. So enter in your password here, click continue, and then there will be a permanently delete button. Once you've clicked on that, if you don't then re-log into your account, within 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted.